Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got something really exciting to share with you. We are going to learn how to make a gorgeous dress using just a bodice pattern. Yep, you heard me right. It's going to be a fun and creative project. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first step is to cut out the bodice and sleeves using the pattern. Make sure you have all your materials ready. You will only need a total of 3 meters of fabric for this project. I have personally chosen 1.5 meters of one pattern fabric and 1.5 meters of another pattern fabric. Now I have already cut out the bodice and sleeves from the lighter fabric, and guess what, I have got half a meter of the light pattern fabric left and 1.5 meters of the other fabric, giving us a total of 2 meters. Next up, let's take some measurements. Measure your desired full length, then subtract the bodice length from that. Finally, divide the remaining length by 3. This measurement will determine the length of each piece we are going to cut. Once you have got all your pieces cut, it's time to get creative. Arrange the pieces in any way you like. And sew them all together. Remember, we are aiming for the 3 layers here. The first, second, third layer. They are going to give our dress an extra oomph. Now let's create some beautiful gathers using elastic thread. Make 3 layers for the front and 3 for the back. Trust me, it's going to add a lovely touch to the overall design. With the gathers ready, it's time to attach all the layers together. But wait, make sure to leave a little space and do sew over the elastic thread. Leave about half an inch and then sew. Connect the first layer with the second with the third, and finally attach it all to the bodice. Voila, take a look at the dress now. It's really starting to take shape, isn't it? But we are not done just yet. We still need to take care of the side seams, hem and sleeves. So go ahead and sew those side seams, hem the bottom and attach the sleeves, and guess what? We are officially done. I hope you enjoyed this DIY dressmaking tutorial. It was so much fun creating this project with you. Now it's your turn to give it a try and let your creativity shine. If you do make this dress, I'd love to see your creations. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with all my future videos. Until next time, happy sewing!